Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can become a seller on Temu, so let's get right into it. Now, becoming a seller on Temu is relatively easy. You just have to sign up for their seller center and then make an account and just go through all of the required steps. And I'll be covering those steps on this FAQ or on their homepage of the Temu Seller Center really quickly, so let's get right into it. Now, to become a seller, you really do have to do a couple of different things, but they're all short and quick. So to register as a seller, you need to enter your business information. They accept business types including corporations, partnerships, or sole proprietorships. And you also have an option to join as an individual seller. Usually people join as individual sellers, but if you have a business, you might be, able to select one of these types. Now, alternatively, or not alternatively, but once you're done with that, you can provide your seller information. This includes your details like the certificate type, address, and seller name. You do need to have all of these. Of course, you'll have the address and seller name just by default. Certificate type, that depends on the certificate that you actually need to be able to sell on Temu. And then once you're done with that, you need to set up your Temu store by adding your store name, logo, and contact information. And then you just need to complete the verification process of all the documentation. You might need to send them some pictures of your ID and of your legal documentation for your business. And once you're done with that, then you're pretty much good to go. And that's all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.